Hello guys, today I want to show you, we want to unboxing the speaker Vinnfier Ecco 3 BTR. Actually this speaker is without the power connector. It just only using the USB and power jack and the green here, yeah, and the USB. Okay, let me show you. This small speaker, just like a tweeter. Okay, small speaker here. Okay, place it. Okay, and this one is a subwoofer here. Actually I bought this speaker from Shopee around 52 ringgit only. 52 ringgit, just a cheap speaker. But this one speaker have a RGB here, LED. This one LED. Let me try. Okay. We also have a USB button here for you to direct play with the USB. Okay. And then the card here, I think the small card like a phone, a memory card. Okay, memory card you can insert here. Okay, and then we got the power button here, next and previous button, play button. Okay, let me show you. Okay. You see this tweeter here. Okay, just plug in to the behind subwoofer. Okay, so just try the USB here. You just plug in. Okay, and then you see this speaker no need to connect the power connector. You just use the USB only, and then the power jack and the green. Okay, you see there. Okay, the LED here. Okay, we try. Sound is very good for the USB cable only. I think it's quite good. Okay, thank you for watching.